Hello viewers, welcome back. So I did my first art show last Sunday and it was a great success. I had a couple of photos and videos that I wanted to share with you all and give you some tips that might be helpful for any of you who wants to do an art show. Again, this is my first art show. I didn't want to spend too much on it because I don't know how it will turn out. So I will show you the supplies that I used, and I'm not saying these are the ones that you have to use, but this is just my supplies list that I had to get them for the art show. So this is a quick overview, and then in the next few minutes I'll show you one by one what I used. You'll see that I have here a couple of tablecloths that I got from dollar store. I had two tables set up in the art show, so I just got a couple of them from the dollar store. And then you will see I have my business cards. I just put them in a Ziploc. These business cards, I made them at home. I'll give you the Amazon link that I used to get the printouts for this. And it was really simple. I could do it at home. Then these are the push pins that I just got them as a backup in case you need for the art show. Then you will need the scissors and the wrapping papers. And a tape, and obviously a few permanent markers. And this is I got a couple of tapes in here. The big one, I used it to put my display board. These are a few permanent markers, and this is a price label sheets. This was really helpful because towards the end of the art show I wanted to change the prices of a couple of items. So all I had to do was write the price on this and put it on top of the existing label. It really worked for me, and this was the one important thing that you will need for the art show. And these are just a couple of scotch tapes that I used to in a couple of places in the booth. And this is just a photo frame, a small photo frame. I just put in a paper in there saying cash or credit. I did use a swipe for my credit payments and it really worked well. It was easy to use. There's a small charge for it, but it was really helpful because most of my customers were using credit cards. So that was really helpful, the swipe one. And this is wrapping papers that you can wrap your sales, wrap your paintings and give it to the customers. That is a must have. And here, this is the day before the art show where I wrapped all my bigger paintings in a big plastic cover. I had the paper on top, just to make sure when I put when I make let them stand on top of one another, it doesn't get bad. So these are a couple of my resin pieces, 15 by 30, and most of my canvases are gallery wrapped, so I had to make sure they are safe and good to go. And this was the best thing that I did because the next day in the morning, all I had to do was stack these up in the van and take them. So just make sure you put them everything ready the day before so you don't end up, having tension or anything like that. So these are my biggest pieces, 24 by 36 gallery wrapped canvas, and a couple of them sold out. I was really happy that these got sold out because I did not think people would buy big pieces in an art show, but I was wrong. And this is my display board, and me and my daughter made it at home. It was really fun doing this. My daughter did all that design stuff on the display board. And then these are my 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas paintings. I just put them in separate box to just separate them out from other pieces. Then you will see in another box my 10 by 20 pieces. These are again gallery wrapped. So I just put the wrapping paper in between so that they don't get, get stuck or get spoiled. These two boxes that you see here are my bloom pieces. I just wrapped the whole piece in a paper and put like inclined them on top, not on top of one another, on like side by side. and it was really helpful having these in here. So I just took that box near the art show. And this is my actual booth. You can see the setup here. The two tables, one is the longer table in the front and the short table on the side. All my best paintings are on the front. I put them against my table. The initial idea for us was to use those threads that you see on the back to tie those threads and put the canvas, lay the canvas on against those threads, but that didn't really work out. They were not holding up properly. So we just, made this in a different way. So I just put my smaller canvas against this big box that I bought. I didn't want to spend too much on the mesh backgrounds. Maybe for my next show I'll do it, but this one I just wanted to try it out. So this brown piece was sold out. Someone liked it so much they got it. A couple of tiles sold out. The blooms on the side also were sold out. So this is how I put my canvas. I laid them against the tables and I made sure there is space inside the booth so people can just walk over and see what pieces I have on the other side. And so that's the layout, and most of these blooms are sold out. People like the blooms more. The smaller pieces especially, they liked it. The yellow one and the white one, they liked it so much. So this is how I had it, and I hope this is helpful for some of you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to answer in the comment section. And anyone wanting to try an art show, just give it a try. I hope you guys have fun, and I had fun. And thank you for watching my video. And you guys have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer. Thank you. Bye.